What should you do between oil changes? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, there's a lot of debate on how often oil changes should be done, but regardless of what camp you land in, I think we all can agree that oil change intervals have gotten somewhat extended. So a lot can happen in between oil changes. The two primary things that I see are, number one, tire pressures don't get checked often enough, and so that can wear out tires. And then secondly, with a lot of cars with low tension piston rings, we're burning a little bit more oil, and sometimes we can run low on oil. So here's what I would suggest. Check the tire pressure regularly in between, check the oil level regularly in between, and also check your coolant or antifreeze or radiator fluid regularly in between. I have one neighbor friend who he's diligent. Every Saturday morning he checks all of his stuff, so he always knows what's going on with his car. Otherwise, it's not a bad idea. Maybe every time you fuel up, go ahead and at least make sure the oil's full. But if you're going to check that coolant, make sure the engine's cold, and stay on top of those tire pressures. If you live near us at all, feel free to stop by in between your oil changes, and we'll gladly check your fluids and top off your tires for you. Hope this has been informational. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.